Dhaka ground Bangla star 101. Request start up and pushback.
B101. Startup. Approved.
Dhaka ground Bangla star 101. Startup and pushback approved. Temperature 32 degrees Celsius. Time 5:4. Push to face north. Dhaka ground Bangla star 101. Request taxi.
B101. Taxi. Approved.
Dhaka ground Bangla star 101. Taxi via Foxtrot November 1 to holding point runway 14 QNH 1004. Dhaka ground Bangla star 101. Request ATC clearance. Is cleared to Chattogram Seat Admil 1 flight level 150, squawk 4147.
B101. ATC clearance. ATC clearance. Approved. Approved.
Dhaka ground Bangla star 101. Change to Dhaka Tower 118.3. Dhaka Tower Bangla star 101. Holding November 2 holding point runway 14. Request line up.
B101. Line up. Approved.
Dhaka Tower Bangla star 101. Lining up runway 14, call you ready for departure. Dhaka Tower Bangla star 101. Ready for departure runway 14.
B101. Takeoff. Approved.
Dhaka Tower Bangla star 101. After departure climb and maintain 3,000 feet surface wind 14007 knots cleared for takeoff runway 14. Dhaka Tower Bangla star 101. Passing 4,000 feet, in contact with Dhaka Control 116.7.
B101. Transfer. Approved.
Dhaka Tower Bangla star 101. Changeover approved. Good day. Dhaka Tower, Saudia 617, descending to 4,000 feet, QNH 1007 release by Dhaka Control, requesting straight-in approach runway 14. Dhaka Tower, Saudia 617, descend to 2,000 feet, QNH 1007, is cleared for straight-in approach runway 14, call you established localizer. Dhaka Tower, Saudi 617, established localizer runway 14. Dhaka Tower, Saudi 617, call you 6 ILSDME. Dhaka Tower, Saudi 617, 6 ILSDME. Dhaka Tower, Saudi 617, surface wind 15005 knots, check gears down and locked, cleared to land runway 14. Dhaka Tower, Saudi 617 landed at time 23, taxiing via Sierra 2 Sierra Victor, bay number 7. Dhaka ground, Novo 901. Request startup and pushback.
In 901, startup approved.
Dhaka ground, Novo 901. Startup and pushback approved. Temperature 32 degrees Celsius. Time 54. Push to face north. Dhaka ground, Novo 901. Request taxi.
In 901, taxi approved.
Dhaka ground, Novo 901. Taxi via Foxtrot November 1 to holding point runway 14 QNH 1004.